Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we will be comparing two popular espresso machines, the De'Longhi EC680M Espresso and the Brim 19 Bars Espresso Machine. We'll be evaluating these machines in different categories to help you decide which one is the right fit for you. Don't forget to like this video, leave a comment, and subscribe to our channel for more exciting content. Now let's get started. Starting with the price, the De'Longhi EC680M is priced at $359, and the Brim 19 Bars Espresso Machine comes with a price tag of $299. While both machines are in a similar price range, the Brim offers a slightly more affordable option. When it comes to the brewing experience, both machines offer excellent results. The De'Longhi EC680M features a 15-bar professional pressure system, ensuring consistent quality every time. On the other hand, the Brim 19 Bars Espresso Machine incorporates a stable high-pressure Italian pump with a gauge indicator, along with low-pressure pre-infusion for balanced extraction. Both machines deliver barista-quality beverages. For those who enjoy milk-based beverages, the De'Longhi EC680M offers a manual frother that mixes steam and milk to create a rich, creamy froth. The Brim 19 Bars Espresso Machine, on the other hand, features a powerful thermal coil system and a commercial-style 360-degree swivel action dry steam wand, allowing you to achieve cafe-quality texturized microfoam. Both options provide versatility for creating your favorite milk-based drinks. When it comes to ease of use, the De'Longhi EC680M stands out with its automatic flow stop feature, dispensing just the right amount of espresso while maintaining the ideal brewing temperature. It also has a removable water tank and drip tray, making cleanup a breeze. The Brim 19 Bars Espresso Machine offers a 1250-watt thermal coil system for consistently hot espresso and includes accessories like a portafilter holder, filters, and a stainless steel milk frothing pitcher. Both machines make brewing and maintenance hassle-free. In terms of design, both machines have a sleek profile and a compact footprint, making them suitable for countertops without taking up too much space. However, the De'Longhi EC680M is specifically mentioned to accommodate dollar cups and has an adjustable or removable bottom tray. The Brim 19 Bars Espresso Machine also includes a heated die-cast top plate to keep cups warm. Choose the design that best suits your preferences and brewing needs. And that wraps up our comparison between the De'Longhi EC680M Espresso and the Brim 19 Bars Espresso Machine. Both machines offer excellent features and deliver delicious espresso. Consider factors like price, brewing experience, milk frothing capabilities, ease of use, and design to make the right choice for your home. We hope this video helped you in your decision-making process. If you found this video useful, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment below, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more insightful videos. See you in the next one.